Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw stuff using scribbles in Adobe Illustrator. So like you can draw anything you want using your mouse. So there is a tool for that, and basically you can either, so the fifth option down and the second one, so you can either hold it, and then click on, you can hold it, and you can click on option. You have to hold it, and then you have to drag your mouse over here, and then let go. And then it becomes the blob brush tool, or so like that. Or wait, let me just switch back to the brush tool. Or you can just press Shift V, and it changes instantly to that tool. Okay, so wait, Shift V. Yeah, it changes instantly to that tool. And so and then you just start drawing. Yeah, that's it. You just start drawing. And then once you've drawn whatever you want to, you can select it, and then you can change the options. For example, the stroke, you can make it thicker, or you can change the opacity, so you can make it 50%, so it's like a grayish thing. Or you can make it 0%, and you can't even see it at all. I'm just going to choose it. And there's also, where's the option? Wait, I just redraw it. Shift B. Okay, yeah, there's also this option, so you can change the brush, and so you can do things like that. So there's the basic brush. Right, let me just, there's the basic brush. Then there is the this brush. Then there's this flat brush. And then there's this brush. So these are the 4 different types of brushes. And this flat brush, so if you do it, let me just increase the, if you do it sideways, it does a line like that, but if you do it down, it does like a thin line. So you can see it's like a straight line. So like that. So looks something like that. And yeah, so those are some of the different options. There's also more, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. You just have to experiment with these things. What? Okay, yeah, you just have to experiment with this stuff. And also one more thing I just figured out is if you hold Shift and draw, if you hold Shift and then draw, you can draw straight lines. So like that, you can draw straight lines, or you can draw diagonal lines like that, or you can draw so it draws really straight. So you can draw straight if you hold Shift, and I'm pretty sure that thing happens with this one as well. Yeah, so it does it for the thin brush as well. I mean the flat brush. So it's hard to see it with the flat brush. Just increase it. Yeah, so you can draw straight lines like that, and you can do straight lines like that. You can do straight lines like, oh, oops, I messed that up. Just straight lines like that. So that's basically it for this video. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. And see you in my next video. Bye!